Problem number 3 reads, sketch the graphs of the three functions on the same rectangular coordinate system. Now for each of these we could make an XY table, choose X, find Y, but we should know enough about the graph of that first function to be able to graph the other two. F of X equals X squared. Now Y equals X squared we know is a parabola opening upward, and its vertex is at the origin. So that first function, I'm going to graph it in black, so we'll put a black star here. Its vertex is at the origin. We can plot a few points. We can say when x equals 1, 1 squared is 1. Same on this side. And we can get a rough sketch of our graph. It's a parabola, vertex at the origin, opening upward. Now, our second graph. I'm going to switch colors, go to red here. G of x equals x squared plus 2. Adding 2 at the end is going to shift our graph 2 units up. So we're going to see the same exact graph, but now it's going to be shifted 2 units upward. So now it's still a parabola, but now it's centered at the point 0, 2, 2 units upward. Third graph, h of x equals x minus 2 in parentheses squared. Now subtracting 2 in parentheses here, then squaring it, this is going to shift our graph 2 units as well, but in this case 2 units to the right. Now careful, minus 2 would lead some to believe that we're going 2 units left. Minus 2 in parentheses is going to go 2 units to the right, so careful with that. We're subtracting 2 and then we're squaring it. So our graph's going to look something like this. Now, we can verify all of these graphs by getting out our calculator, and we can graph all of these on here. So I'm going to press my y equals key, and I'm going to type in all three of these functions. First of all, y equals x squared. Second of all, y equals x squared plus 2. And third of all, in parentheses, y equals x minus 2 quantity squared. And if I press my graph button, I should see there's my first function. Second function is shifted 2 units up. Third function shifted 2 units to the right. So that verifies the graphs that we sketched by hand.